Welcome to this tutorial. How to fix missing Microsoft Windows .dll files. Try to restart your computer, as this can resolve the DLL error issue. Scan your computer with an antivirus program, or use Windows' inbuilt feature of Virus Scan. The missing DLL error can be due to a new program installation or any update. You can try to use the System Restore feature of Windows. In the System Protection tab, click on the System Restore button. Click on the Next button, and on the next screen, select a date and time from the list. Click on the Next button, and then click on the Finish button. In an alert box, click on the Yes button. The Windows will restart and will start the system restore process. This will take a little time to restore the Windows files to an early point. After completing the process, Windows will restart, and hopefully your missing Windows DLL files issue should be fixed. If not, try this method. Go to the Control panel. Uninstall a program that uses DLL files and then reinstall it. In the Device Manager, try to update a driver of your hardware that is showing missing DLL file errors. Make sure that your PC's Windows is up to date. You can also try to repair the Windows. If not working this method, then try to reinstall Windows. Wasn't this helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.